Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ying. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you a technique that will help you save a lot of money when purchasing gift card using the Fluz app. Specifically, I'm gonna teach you step by step how to score a $10 gift card for only $1.30. And how can you beat that? So if you're interested in learning how that can be done, please make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. And if you're new to this channel and you want to learn more ways to save and better manage your personal finance, please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like down below. This will really help support the channel. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to get started, you will just need two things. You will need an American Express credit card such as this, as well as a Fluz app that's downloaded on your phone. The Fluz app saves you $3.70 if you purchase a $10 gift card from them using a coupon. And by using the American Express credit card, you'll be able to save an additional $5 by leveraging the Shop Small offer between now and September 20th. But be aware that you have to enroll it by July 26th, which is the end of the week. So for those of you who are not familiar with Fluz, it's essentially a cashback app with a focus on gift card. You can purchase all sorts of gift cards from all sorts of online retail or merchants. And in today's video, I'll show you how to purchase a Starbucks gift card. First, you need to download and open the Fluz app. And as you can see, it currently has a bunch of stores that are available. If you sign up using my referral link, you'll be able to get 3 vouchers for 35% cashback. So in this case, I'm gonna purchase a Starbucks gift card. And now I'm gonna choose a $10 gift card. Keep in mind that your max earn is only $3.50 plus 2%. So purchasing a $10 gift card is really the optimal amount. So I click on continue. And now I'm gonna add a payment method. Here you can use bank card, PayPal, but obviously I'm gonna use a bank card because that will give me additional rewards point. It's asking you to create a 4-digit passcode. You also have an option to pay with your Fluz balance, but since I don't have any balance at the moment, so I'm gonna skip this step so that I click on purchase gift code. Now it's asking you to put in the passcode again that you just recently set. Okay, awesome. So you can either show the gift card to the cashier if you're making the purchase right now, or just add it into your Starbucks app. Okay guys, now we're in the Starbucks app. Here you can either scan it in store if you're purchasing something, but I'm just gonna reload it to my gift card balance. So go to scan, add funds, add Starbucks card, and I'm gonna scan my barcode. So here it is. As you can see, I was able to successfully load $10. Now let's hop back to the Fluz app. So here is the gift card we have purchased, and if you scroll down, it will tell you how much cashback you've earned. So I earned $3.70. So the $3.70 is reflected on your account right away. And to cash it out, there's various different ways. You can withdraw after you reach a $26 withdrawal minimum, and you can withdraw the money to your PayPal. I believe you can also withdraw it directly into your bank account. The reason why I was able to get a $5 statement credit from American Express is because one of the promotions that they're currently running called Shop Small. Shop Small is a nationwide movement that helps encourage consumers to help support local businesses by making purchases on their websites or in store. What the offer states is you can get a $5 cashback by making a minimum purchase of $10 or more, and you can do so up to 10 times, which is effectively a 50% discount if you can use it optimally. So let's go to my American Express portal. As you guys can see, I made a purchase of Fluz for $10, and then the second day I was able to get a $5. So the two American Express credit cards that I recommend are the AMEX Gold and the AMEX Platinum. The reason why I recommend these two is they currently have the Shop Small offer, but in addition to that bonus, you can get many other rewards that come with owning this credit card, such as Saks Fifth credit, wireless credit, streaming credit, additional rewards around dining and groceries. So if you do not own an American Express credit card, I highly encourage you to sign up one. I'll link my referral link down below. In one of my previous videos, I've also explained how to leverage these credit card rewards when purchasing takeouts, restaurant pickup, or groceries. So make sure you check out one of these videos if you're interested in learning more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial beneficial. I'll see you next time.